Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is May 2025 Patreon Part 5. Be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figure for your 3D printing needs. If you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share it. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. So we got non figures. All links that you guys are going to be seeing will be down below as well. This is figures. So we got extra model, we got Zelda, Link, and we have an actual full pin-up model of Zelda. You got Urbosa, that's how you say it. Figure. You got Druk. All from the Tears of the Kingdom. This is gonna be June. We got Pool. So it's April model. When do we have May? Okay, here's the May one. So we have Tank, Blue Eyes, and this is gonna be the full size. Forgot freaking is Beerus? I forgot uh, what named him. Forgot that he's starting as Raven, I believe. Yeah, again, I just want that. Then we got Pool Bear for May. We got Lion Realm Studio, another figure one as well. This is a May reward. We got Tusk, Naruto, and Virgil. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be great. I am looking forward. They've got Tank. I think I have Tank. It's just I'm just looking forward to it. We got Jiraiya as well. Jiraiya's like me, so I'm pervert as hell. Young Blood sculpture. I think we looked at this one. So we have Leon Kennedy over here. And then you got Rochefort. Ashley likes Leon, but I think next month they're making Chris Redfield. Ashley wants Chris Redfield to add into the collection, but I think she likes the one from Village because he's more bulkier, and I'm just fat. Demon Classics miniatures for D&D. I think this month, I think we already looked at this. We're getting the undead for it. We got some zombies and stuff. Some of these actually probably go proxy for your Nidhogg for Age of Sigmar. Some of the stuff we're going to see, like repeats, because there aren't that many Patreon stuff right now. So for this month, we're getting Cosmic Bunny Girl. Last month was Sailor Moon the bunny outfit, and he started working on the Cosmic Bunny Girl. I'm actually kind of be excited for that. If you guys want free miniatures, this is probably the best one, especially for D&D. He has a whole crap load of stuff that you can print. It's not the best, like detailed wise, but it'll get the job done for what you guys need to get done. This is from the old Dragon magazine with Tiamat Sisters, purple, orange, and not purple. Yeah, purple, orange, and I believe which one is it? Orange, purple, and yellow for it. And you got the Forest Spirit. So if you enjoy that, please, you can also give money to support B figures. For this month, we got Dante, Conan, Nami, Ultraman, Tim Tam, and this is next month. It's gonna be happening. I want to print this asshole. Uh, put it in my game. Not a lot of my D&D players are actually like what you call it, like over the age of like 50, and I have few that are like younger than me. They'll get the reference. The old farts won't. Yeah, do a little puzzle for the dungeon room and fucking KO everyone at the same time. I'm very evil in many ways. Val Victus. This is good for proxy army. Releases here 6th anniversary bonus. I just want. Okay, so we have anniversary bonus. So this month we got some Skavens, got some Lewd Bar. Lady coming out of a birthday cake for 6 years. I forgot this guy's names. Oh man, they just making a new cartoon for series for it too. We got a lot of Skavens though for this month. So which one is this? This month you'll get May, Battle, Full Sunset, Rat Volume 2. So we're getting a lot of Skavens. And I have a lot of Skavens I need to finish painting. I put a lot of. Ukupalua. So this is the May one. They do figures. Walla Fu from Arc Knights and Sen Zawu from VTuber. I don't really watch any VTubers for it, but you know their sculpts are pretty good. I would say for it. There's anime I can't even really watch. This to me was kind of stupid. Saga Tyranny the Evil. Cast and play. We got some. Let's see here what we got. We get some post. Woodlands Hero. I do not know. So it looks like we're getting some little rat folks. We got a big tree ant with a big book you can put on it. That's actually pretty cool. That I'll actually print and use it on my book. I might actually put foam in the back of it so that the the resin don't fucking destroy the backside of the book. Tablet, phone. That's actually pretty cool looking. That's actually pretty cool. So we got some woodland creatures that you can use for your games. Owl folk allies. You got your deer folk, guardians. This is something that Ashley will probably do for her campaign if she's seen this. Anyway, you got rabbit folk, you got fox. Is that cat or fox? Cat folk defenders. We do have a TTRPG that we got from Kickstarter that has these characters that we can actually use in many ways. Duck folk, bird folk. Okay, it looks like ducks, and that's a bird. You got mouse folk on a little rooster. That's actually kind of cute. I might actually print this so that Ashley can have some fun painting it. We got fox folk defenders. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool for woodland creatures. The new death and tile set looks like we're getting more sewers. I just built a sewer freaking terrain, so I gotta build more. Well, that's actually pretty cool to do. Yeah. This is what we were doing on our campaign. I painted some sewers, and you guys saw some of it on the shorts. Bruno art. This is figure one as well. This is for this month. If you're interested. Let's see here. Next one is Highlands miniature. I think we're getting more Skaven this month. You're getting a lot of freaking Skavens, man. Yep, Skavens for this month of May. Yeah, Vermin Technology. The problem is like I'll probably never uh, play this. Nope, I gotta pay for it. I don't want to pay. Give it to me for free. Oshiuma's home. This is like another like proxy for like Tyranids. Majority of the time. Cobra mold gift. Eh. But I don't see what's for May yet. May is ready, but that's great. But where's the picture for May? So, mm. Mammoth Factory. It's good D&D stuff as well. This will probably be the last one for this video. Looks like we're getting red caps. That's actually pretty cool. So you got Jumbo, a mammoth dragon. Your bust. So this is like Alice in Wonderland they're doing right here. You got the Mad Cappers, so it's like a red cap, but Mad Cappers furball. They're not actually giving the actual name, I think, because it's IP address. But it red cappers, the Mad Cappers and stuff. I think that's supposed to be the what you call it, the Jabberwocky, I will say. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check our Patreon Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.